guys, so today we're gonna do a makeup tutorial. So I work at the gym as a front desk girl, and sometimes I will like prepare 2 hours of my time before the gym just to do my makeup because I feel like when I look good, I feel good, and you know. So let's like jump right into it. Off the bat, let's talk about inspiration. Looks are high contrast look. Excuse me, oh my god. I just drank an entire shot of espresso, and let me tell you, it's like taking a shot of tequila. I think it's so freaking adorable. Look at her nose, look at her eyes, look at her lips. I like this like term that people call it unrecognizable makeup. Like with like the whole concept is that you like people will see. I think I need a shot of espresso. Look at that. That looks so good. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but I basically highlighted these areas of my face with a lighter foundation. Concealer, a lighter concealer. Back. Okay, so after I did that, I have like this super beautiful base that I'm ready to just destroy and change my entire personality along with it. So that when I'm at work, I'm like, hi, welcome in. How are you? One of my favorite palettes ever. It smells like chocolate. I will literally do my makeup and just like. I'm gonna start off from the underneath end. And I'm literally just gonna go around the bottom of my nose. Also, I use my hands for my makeup. Like, honestly, fight me. Just like that. Now I'm gonna go in with Bite Me. I love that color. It's like this sort of like gray, rosy gray pink color. And I'm just gonna kind of do a little blushy eye with it. Essentially what we're doing for the first half of the makeup is we're just like creating these contours on our face that we don't naturally have. I wonder if makeup ages you. Like, are there chemicals in there that purposely make you have wrinkles so that you have to keep getting makeup? I feel like it's like something that the government would do. Yes, I'm a huge conspiracy theorist. Like, I believe in every conspiracy theory. Bermuda Triangle. Bush totally did 9/11. Maybe I shouldn't say that. Like, I don't want to get arrested. Bush did not do 9/11. I don't even, Bush does, he just like really, like, I wasn't even alive then. I wasn't even alive. Bush did not do 9/11. This is how I do my blush, okay? So this is like almost dead, but what I do to save makeup or like reawaken it is I will pop off the top and I'll like dig into it, like, okay? And I'm gonna do blush. I don't have blush blindness, actually. So, in order to not have blush blindness, you just have to not put on a lot of blush. Watch. Look how little blush that is. Do I have blush blindness? Okay, so I just put the lipstick underneath my eye. And yeah, I'm using lipstick. Like, if you don't like it, then fight me. Like, honestly, I'm not that rich, so if you want to get me makeup because you feel bad that I'm using lipstick under my eye, then get it for me. Oh, so bro, am I cringe? To be cringe is to be free. So I want to very gently do my eyebrows. Look how little I'm putting on, but how the effect is still there. Next is the most important part, and that is your eyeliner. Better Than Sex, Too Faced, Easy Glide Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. So all you gotta do is shake it to get the juices flowing in it. I follow the line of my eye down. Okay. Then I start underneath my eyebrow, a little dot. And I just slightly correct it with that brown color. And that way it's like this natural eyeliner, almost like the lines in your eyes, the black lines are like a part of your eyes rather than like makeup. I'm gonna deepen the under eye thing that I've been doing here. Oh no! Look, my eyes are getting too dark and I don't want to look emo. The whole look's supposed to be like cute anime, like Gaga. This is how I know that my makeup looks good. Is if I put mascara on and I like it, then we're good. But if I don't, then I don't know what we're gonna do. And make sure there's no like bubbles in it. You know that Madison Beer video where she's like, pick me, love me, choose me. Literally, like, what are you doing? Like, yeah, breaking life. I'm kidding, I like Madison, she's cool. Is it giving what it needs to give? Boom. Click, click. And I'm gonna outline the outside of my lip. I have the smallest lips ever. Whenever I talk, they really disappear. But if I do a little red blushy lip, sometimes the lips don't appear as small. I can't wait for a trend to like, for the American trend to be smaller lips, because I can't with this. I can't with this Botox. First of all, I can't afford it. Number two, everyone has Botox now, and I just feel excluded. I know if I got Botox, my body would like, my body would literally like turn off. Like the Botox would like become a pimple or something and like come out. Like that's literally the reality of my body. Like if I eat too much of something, my body's like, nope, no more Cheetos for you. You're gonna have a huge rash on your fucking forehead. Now I was thinking like we should do my hair, because my hair naturally is like this like wavy pattern, but it kind of looks like a poodle or some sort of like a Shih Tzu dog. Is that right? Shih Tzu? I'm not sure. Like a big fluffy like lion, untamed. I'm gonna do bangs and then I'm gonna do a light waves throughout this hair. Are you guys ready to see the reveal? Alright, enough. Yeah, so this is the completed look, and honestly, I love it. So yeah, this is how I usually do my makeup for work, and I think, oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I like snipped a little bit of hair off on the sides just to have like a little bit more of a bang look. Yeah, I hope that you guys like it. I hope I look unrecognizable, which I should look unrecognizable because like, I mean, I put so much makeup on. It's been like an hour of makeup. So if you guys want to see something else, if you guys want to see another video of something else, because I do makeup looks all the time, let me know. Let me know in the comments below. I was thinking of doing like a 2016 Kylie Jenner inspired look. Like I'm already feeling so much better. Like my confidence goes up when I make makeup on. It's like kind of insane. Alright guys. Bye. Peace.